Like, I think it's historic. It truly is. I think it's really interesting because today technology has become the way to serve humanity.
Mm-hmm.
And therefore we don't often think about cultural shifts in the same way because they're through technology. It almost feels a bit robotic or a bit more kind of organized. And so we don't realize just how powerful these things are because we see numbers, but we don't see the deep transformation. But Calm has helped and transformed so many people's lives. When you set out to popularize meditation,